Well, we first start off with different types of resins. The resins come in pellets. Each one of the resins has certain properties. The nylon that we use gives it strength. We use a Plexar resin that gives us the adhesive that we need in order to make the bubble, and the rest of the bubbles make the film that we use, right, is what you actually see. We vacuum the pellets into an extruder. The extruder and then melt the resins and then distribute it, forming a film. Our extruders have temperatures between 450 and 512 degrees. We need that temperature in order to melt the resin to form the film. The film in itself carries through a series of rollers, and then as we get the thickness that we desire, it traps over a cylinder where we vacuum the film down and then trap the air. This is the cylinder that forms the bubble. If you see this, there are little holes that here we vacuum the plastic to form the shape of the bubble and the size that our customers